आता खबरो विस्तारान. फाटल्या 24 वरां भितर राज्यांत उटंगराचो पावस. पेडण्यात सगळ्यांत चड 110 मिलीलिटर पावस नोंद जाला. मुखार आनीक 2 दीस दाट पावसाची शक्यताय आसा म्हण माहिती पणजी हवामान खात्यान दिल्या. आरडीएक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
Not a cyclone, it is a cyclonic circulation, maybe a low pressure system, but it is not coming to Goa. It will cross that Odisha coast, and it is this system has not formed, but as per models it will cross from Odisha, West Bengal coast, and it will move northwest towards Madhya Pradesh and UP. All activity over the Goa was very good, and we received highest rainfall in Terne, where the last 24-hour rainfall was 110 millimeter, and overall the rainfall over different stations were moderate to heavy. And this rainfall activity is basically due to the offshore trough which is running from South Maharashtra coast to North Kerala coast, and this offshore trough is likely to further intensify during next 2-3 days. In addition to that, one low pressure system will develop on third day in Bay of Bengal. So this combination of these two will increase the pressure gradient, and the rainfall activity will increase over the Goa state. So the next 5-day forecast is widespread rainfall will be there in Goa state, and heavy rainfall warning has been issued for all 5 days. Heavy rainfall is expected at few places, and very heavy rainfall at isolated places during next 5 days. This season, so far the monsoon performance over Goa is very good. We have received almost normal rainfall. 3% extra rainfall has been received from 1st June to 3rd of July. Total rainfall took place is 1058 millimeter, which is 3% more than the normal. And during this period, the station wise or taluka wise we can say that Perne has received the highest rainfall, which is 1284 millimeter. Cyclonic circulation दिखा रहा है prominent. ये और strong हो जाएगा 7th को, and then 8th को ये अंदर आ जाएगा, ये दिखा रहा है लो प्रेशर सिस्टम करके 9th को और अंदर आएगा. सो ये जो सिस्टम है इसके कारण हमारा विंड जो है इसका स्पीड आप देखो, ये ब्लू कलर में स्ट्रॉन्ग विंड है, ठीक है. ये पीछे से देखा अभी यहाँ पे ग्रीन है हमारे इधर, तो विंड स्पीड 20 to 30 किलोमीटर्स है. अभी ये विंड स्पीड वो सिस्टम यहाँ पे बनना शुरू होगा तो ये इसका विंड स्पीड अभी ये काफ़ी ब्लू हो गया, ये सिस्टम बनना शुरू हो गया. अभी ये फर्दर विंड स्पीड बढ़ता जा रहा है जैसे जैसे सिस्टम बनता जा रहा है. ये ब्लू दिख रहा है. सो इसके कारण जो है जो विंड स्पीड बढ़ेगा देन विल गेट गुड रेनफॉल. में वो भी देखा.